Good morning, Stephanie Kammerman, the Stock Whisperer, here to tell you the whisper of the day. But before we get to today's whisper, you know it, we got to talk about yesterday's whisper. So yesterday being Monday, not my favorite day, but I did have two whispers yesterday. I was bearish on GLD after spotting that big sell print pre-market at 108.85. If you recall, I was bearish below that with a 108.50 target because we have this gap in the chart. On the daily chart, they like to take it down to that strongest level before the gap and then bounce it up usually. And you can see that's exactly what they did. They took it up down to 108.50 and then bounced it back up. You can see it could not break through that area where the print was. Still bearish below that. Also, SLV. I was also bearish on this guy. Below $14.69, and you can see I had a target of that gap fill trade, which it did. It went all the way down to $14.60. Actually went a little bit lower before bouncing up again. I would watch that $14.60 level. If she breaks down through that, there's a lot more room to the downside, but that would definitely be the level. You can see there's no volume today, so therefore is not the hot stock. Now, yesterday my traders were rocking it. Hog had a fantastic trade on TNA. Nice trade in there, Hog. But the trader of the day goes to Peter, aka Taco. This guy rocked AEO with me. We spotted a huge sell print right early on at about $15.03. Soon as she broke down through the 15 level, we both shorted this guy. Look at that nice run down there. He also had a fantastic trade on NTT after spotting prints on that one. So following the prints is our biggest secret. So where is the big money coming in today? Well, first thing I want to show you is some prints we spotted yesterday at the close. Let me just make this bigger for you. Right at the close, we spotted late sell prints on the SPY at 210.39. There's one, there's another one. We're talking like over 3 million shares. Also spotted a buy print on the VXX at 1809. So watch these levels today on those guys. But also I'm seeing some really nice pre-market volume coming in on MT. I like this. I like this stock above $5.87. And my first target would be 6, and then $6.09 is a little gap here. So she could break up through 6, and also you can see that 20 simple moving average. So really like the volume. Look at that, 122,000 shares. Keep your eye on Alcoa today. Okay, I like this. Even though there's not a lot of volume yet, we spotted some really nice prints yesterday at $9.14. And we're opening above that. That's a bullish sign. There's a lot of room to go on Alcoa to about 940 would be that first resistance, and then 950-ish area. You see that 50 moving average. But they could fake it up a little bit, pull it back, and then take it up there. So there could be 2 trades there as well. I have my eye on oil. Oil seems to be heating up. I'm seeing quite a few oil stocks here. USO. About 40,000 shares this morning. Now it is early. It's not even 8 o'clock. But I would watch that 1487 level on that. And UWTI, 3 times the speed. Really like this guy. As long as she can stay above 1050. All right, going to be watching the price action on that. So come watch me trade these stocks and so many more at the Java Pit Trading Room at www.thestockwhisperer.com. Happy trading, everybody.